Hi everyone! Would you like to know the top 3 secrets to understand why career counseling is a necessity today? If yes, you're at the right place. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagre. I'm a career growth entrepreneur and the founder of EduScope. To begin with, I'd like to show you some interesting news articles. A common place where all these articles are pointing towards is higher level of employment loss. Accept it or not, we all are facing the consequences of COVID-19. We all are going through a rough patch. What can we do? How can we equip ourselves to not only survive but also grow in this situation of crisis? There are 2 things that we can do. First is to adapt yourself to the market demand. Second is enhance your skills. You have to be an asset to your organization, an asset to your company, and not a liability. How do you understand what skills are required? How do you understand how to enhance your skills? This is where a career counselor will play a major role. An expert counselor, through scientific proved approaches, will help you identify what skills you're supposed to enhance, how you're supposed to enhance it, how you're supposed to use them in the market and hold your place in your organization. Be a valuable person to your organization, right? And this is where a career counselor is going to play a major role in your success. So coming towards the top 3 secrets that I was telling you all about, as in how career counseling is a necessity in this situation, and how an expert career counselor will help you identify your skills, your skill gaps, give you improvement strategies, and take you towards the path of success. So the first secret is a career counselor will help you identify your inherent career interest. Let me paint you a picture. This is for students as well as the working professionals, okay? So imagine you take up your 11th and 12th subjects based on certain factors, which are your friends, family, parents, society, or any random reason that comes in mind. There is a very less population who actually gives in thought before taking up certain subjects in 11th and 12th, as in why I'm taking this. There are very less number of people around. So we take up some random subject with a thought in our mind, let me complete my 12th, then I'll see what I have to do for graduation. Then let me complete my graduation, then I'll see, do I need to go for post-graduation, do I need some work experience? So it's always let me do this, then I'll think, right? So once we are done with our education, we grab the very first opportunity given to us for, being financially independent, because that's a very important thing at that time. We take up the job, we are happy with the financial gains that we are getting, we are independent financially, but there comes a point in our 30s where we look for satisfaction. We are like, I'm earning but I'm not happy. I'm not happy with the job that I'm doing. So what we do is we start job hopping. Let me explore my horizons. Let me try something new. We change the company. We again are not happy. We again try something new. This process goes on, okay? And what happens in this process is we are not creating any loyalty with any one company. None of your superiors are noticing you because you're switching your companies. This will directly impact your promotion, your financial or the package that you expect, or the financial inputs that we all expect. This is going to affect it because we are not giving our loyalty to the company. Then there will come a point in your 40s, in your 50s, where you're tired of job hopping, you just settle where you are, and then it's like there's a stagnation at that point. No growth financially, no growth promotion wise, there's depression, there's frustration. Even after this cycle, we do not understand what went wrong. We do not understand that career counseling was something that was missing. I didn't understand where my interest was. We don't even guide our children that way. They again fall in this cycle. It's like a cycle that goes on and on and on. When is it going to stop? How is it going to stop? Career counseling. You have to understand where your interest is and then pursue it. You have to understand where will you be happy, you'll be satisfied, you'll be growing, okay? And also with that, you'll have a good financial packages. Coming towards the second secret. The second secret is that a career counselor will help you set a goal, a career goal. Now, to make you understand the importance of this, let me give you an example. We all use Google Maps. What do? We know we have to start from a certain certain point and reach to a certain destination. We enter the destination and the map will tell us this is a slower route, this is a faster route, this is the best route, and we follow it. Do you ever do it the other way? As in, you come out of your house and you're like, let me walk 1 kilometer and then I'll see where I have to go next. Now, let me go next, move 5 kilometers, then I'll see where I have to go. No, you always put a destination and you follow it. When you use this approach for a simple decision like travel, then why not use it in your career as well? How can you be like, let me complete my 12th, then I'll see what I have to do in graduation. Let me complete my graduation, then I'll see which path in jobs or opportunities is best for me. Even in your career, you have to set a goal and you have to have a road to approach that goal, right? Having a goal is very important, plays a very, very important part for you to be successful in that career of yours. The third and the last secret is that a career counselor will help you build a roadmap towards your goal. Now, why is this important? Consider, I know my destination, that is, I have to reach Delhi, but I don't know how to reach there. There are many possibilities that can happen when I don't know my route. I might get lost, I might never make it. This is the same situation with your career. Even when you set a goal for yourself, you need to know how to reach that goal in proper time with the proper direction. This is where a career counselor will play a major role. This is a line said by Warren Buffett that a fool with a plan will beat a genius without a plan. It is very important to have a roadmap, to have direction to reach your goals. Right? Coming towards the situation that we started with, which is employment loss, right? The career counselor is going to help you in this entire process. They will help you identify your interest. They will help you set goals and give you a roadmap towards that goal. This whole thing is a blueprint to success. They will help you not only be happy and satisfied, but retain your position in the market. I'd like to end this with a thought, with a line that I want you all to go back and think, okay? Consider your whole life from the day 1 to the last day. It's like 100% of your life. Of this 100%, you spend 70% in the work environment. You struggle, you're frustrated, you're angry, sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're depressed, but major part of it is, not that happy, we are not that satisfied. But we are doing it somehow. And why? Because we want to be happy in the remaining 30%. We want money for the next 30% of our life. We want luxury for the remaining 30% of our life. Is this balanced? Is this ratio something, isn't this something to think about? Why are we struggling in the 70% just to be happy in the 30%? Don't we want the entire lifespan to be of happiness, success, growth, financial benefits? Right? We want everything. We want to be happy for the entire lifetime and not just a small span of it. I really want you all to think about this to understand the importance of career counseling in your life, because career is a major part of your life. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.